12th standard subject physics, 8th chapter electrostatics. From the chapter we have to obtain the expression for potential energy. So the electrostatic potential energy is defined as the amount of work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to that point against the direction of electric field. That means the work done in bringing that charge is stored in the form of electrostatic potential energy. To obtain the expression for this electrostatic potential energy, let us consider a positive charge capital Q which is placed at point O, which is considered as the source charge. Then another positive charge plus Q0 is placed at point A at a distance equal to R1 from that source charge. Now we have to displace that charge Q0 from A to B at a distance equal to R2 from this charge Q. Initially, that Q0 charge will be displaced through very short distance dr from A to C. As that charge is displaced in the opposite direction to that of electric field of the source charge, therefore work will be done on this charge Q0. That work done will be stored in the form of electrostatic potential energy, and therefore as the charges plus capital Q and plus Q0 are similar charges, there will be repulsion between these two charges, and hence this plus Q charge will repel this Q0 charge towards right, but we have to displace that Q0 charge towards left, and therefore work will be done. The work done against the electrostatic force Fe in displacing that charge Q0 through a small distance dr, that is from A to C, will appear as increase in potential energy of the system, and therefore that increase in potential energy of the system du equal to the dot product of this force Fe and displacement dr, which will be written as minus Fe into dr. Here the negative sign indicates that the force Fe and the displacement dr are oppositely directed, because from figure Fe is directed towards right while displacement dr will be directed towards left, and therefore negative sign will appear there. Now when the charge Q0 is displaced from A to B, then the change in potential energy delta U is given as, this will be the total change in electrostatic potential energy in displacing that charge from A to B, that is from initial position to final position, and therefore delta U will be equal to integration R1 to R2 du, that is equal to integration R1 to R2, the value of du is minus Fe into dr. There, hence from Coulomb's law, now we apply here Coulomb's law because the two charges are separated by some distance here, and therefore according to Coulomb's law, force Fe equal to, that is the electrostatic force, equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q0 upon R square into unit vector R. This unit vector will give only the direction since its magnitude equal to 1. Therefore, the change in electrostatic potential energy delta U will be equal to integration r1 to r2 minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q0 upon r square into r dr, and therefore delta u will be equal to minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q0. As it is constant factor, it is taken out of integration. Then r1 r2, that will be the limits of integration, and hence integration r1 r2 1 upon r square r dr. Therefore delta u will be equal to minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q0 into integration r1 to r2. 1 by r square will be written as r raised to minus 2 r dr, and therefore delta u will be equal to minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q0 into minus 1 by r from r1 to r2. Now here integration of r raised to minus 2 is equal to minus 1 by r, because integration of r raised to minus 2 dr will be equal to r raised to minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1, and therefore we will get r raised to minus 1 upon minus 1, that is minus r raised to minus 1. Now r raised to minus 1 will be written as 1 by r with that negative sign, and therefore delta u will be equal to minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q0 into minus 1 by r from r1 to r2. That will be written as delta u equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q0 into 1 upon r2 minus 1 upon r1. That in the above equation bracketed term is negative, as well as at the beginning of that expression negative sign is there, therefore it will become positive, and hence this equation will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q0 into 1 upon r2 minus 1 upon r1. Now if q1 and q2, these two charges are separated by a distance r, if the distance between q1 and q2 is equal to r, then r1 will become infinity and r2 will be equal to r, and therefore from the above equation we can write delta u equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 upon r. This change in potential energy is equivalent to the work done in bringing that charge from point A to point B.